Yeah, I got this in today. It's the heat shield for the 88. Oop, got that shiny going, but that's what it looks like when it's on there. That shine off there again, but it's got the cheesy kind of front sights and rear sights, but I'm going to, rather than use those ghost sights, I'm going to make these adjustable rear sights for it. And I'm going to make this work for the front sight. Kind of cool on a shotgun, but I'll either incorporate it into this or in this by cutting these off and then screwing them in, or go directly where I'll keep them lower, but it'll be able where I can adjust that rear sight. But anyway, that's what it's going to kind of look like. Got a super great deal on it. I got that 500 I got. It'll only fit the 500, so if somebody needs one, let me know. It's a real cool looking seat, and this is metal too. So, and it's gonna look just absolutely super, especially with the other ATI stuff. I got such a good deal on during that sale a long time ago. Anyway, have a good day.